Arms are shoulder height and chin is on the floor. Right, my thighs are on the floor, my belly button's on the floor, and I'm going to bend the left knee and bring the hip and knee in line, and bring the knee and heel in line. So Mandukasana. My pelvis remains on the floor, and I'm going to straighten that left leg, okay, as much as possible. I lift the knee, I bring the inner heel onto the floor, okay. Now, without moving my hands, I'm going to ask my left big toe to take a movement forward. So I want to join my fingertips, maybe my pinky, to the left big toe. I keep on walking, I keep on walking, I keep on walking. Do not move your hand. Go as close as you can towards that left hand with the toes. And then drop the knee and make sure that both the shoulders are on the floor, pelvis is on the floor. Keep walking. I have made contact, a little bit by taking the left hand a little bit further down, but I got hold of the left big toe. I've shifted forward and I hold here. I feel the decompression in my lower back. I can turn the right cheek to the floor and towards the left wrist. Of course, you can do this on the other side. If you feel simply not there, maybe a belt will help with a small loop. But try and do this without the help of the belt.